Hey everyone, welcome back. We'll be covering 2's complement, signed versus unsigned. And the first thing that we will do is, I'll just go down here. Okay. So I'll just separate the signed versus the unsigned. Kind of explain both of them. Okay, for the signed, we're going to be worried about the far left. So in this case, it's going to be the 8th column. So if it's signed, that means that there will be a negative in the place for the first binary number right here in the 8th column. And then, well, they can both be ones. They can be signed and then unsigned. Unsigned is positive. So with this, in most cases, if there's a 1 right here and it's telling you that it's signed, in most cases it will be a negative number. And if it's unsigned, I would say in all cases it's going to be a positive number. So let's just go ahead and work on a signed number. Let's do something really simple. Okay. So right here we have, in the far left column, number 8, value of 128. So you're actually going to turn that value into a negative. And then you see if you can find any more ones. So anything past the far left value, all of this, they're going to be positive. So we got negative 128 plus, and then since we have a value in the first column, we'll just do plus 1. So negative 128 plus 1 is negative 127. Now on to the unsigned, which is, we've been doing unsigned in the first binary tutorial. So let's go ahead and do it again so there's no confusion. So there's a 1 right here, so it's going to be positive 128. And we'll just throw a 1 here in the second column, and which will give it a value of 2. So plus 2 equals 130. And let's go ahead and do another signed number for you. Alright, so let's do all ones right here. Okay, so we know we have a negative 128. I'm going to add 64 because of that value, and we're going to add 32, add 16, add 8, add 4, 2, and 1. Alright, so let's start with the far section. 1 plus 2 plus 4 is equal to 7. And then 16 plus 8 is equal to 24. So put that there. And then 64 plus 32 is 96. Bring these a little closer. And then negative 128 plus. Okay. So we're going to use negative 128 for the last part. Alright, so 24 plus 7 is 31. 31 plus 96 is equal to 127. So is equal to -1. And let's see.